Alright guys, we got another unboxing for you. Little quick video. Y'all already seen these Jones, but show you some more. Troy Performance, baby. RCMAX. Yes sir. Let's see what we got here. Uh-oh. Super Spikes came in, baby. The red lighting jumps. RCMAX, red logo in there. Looks good, man. Man, I mean, can't. Yo, these are sick, man. Yo, thanks, John and Mike Taylor, man. Yo, y'all doing big things for the hobby. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I mean? Y'all doing big things for the hobby, and I love this. These wheels are sick, man. All right, here we go. Quick comparison. Super Spike for Super Spike. Something to look at, baby. Stand that thing up. Stand that one up. And we are... Damn, looks like we're a little bit taller, actually, right? Maybe just a hair taller. Turn to the side. The one in front of her. Looks like we're probably just about the same width. Yep. Looks good, man. Super Spike, baby. And of course, you know, the BRP has a crazy sidewall, you know. No sidewall on the RCMAX Genesis. Alright, so there you have it. That's the Super Spikes, Genesis wheels, lightened, BRP adapters. Nice wheels, guys. And he is now shipping these things. So go ahead and put your order in. Hopefully the next time we'll get some slicks in for us to show off. Alright? Crucial RC, man. I'll holla at you. Out.